BalanceWare, next-generation trial balance software, designed for the pressures of a demanding tax season. Hello, and welcome to another BalanceWare 3-minute video. We're excited about this module because it offers a flexible, powerful, and simple way to create your own Excel reports and spreadsheets with BalanceWare client data. I've got BalanceWare open to the Accounting tab, and I'll click on the BalanceWare Enabled Excel button to open our first workbook for this client. In addition to all the normal Excel features and functions, a BalanceWare enabled workbook has a BalanceWare ribbon and a connection to client data. The connection provides access to the chart of accounts, the trial balance, the history file, client information, and all of the totals on the financial statement. This information is retrieved using a BalanceWare function named BW, and we'll explore that function next. The first worksheet is a template for creating notes to financial statements. Let's return momentarily and work on a new sheet to explore the BW formula. The BW formula is structured with 4 possible segments. The first 2 segments are required. To enter a formula, select the cell you wish to calculate, and call the BW function by typing the equals sign, followed by BW in a left parenthesis. The second segment is the data variable, which indicates the client information you would like returned. In this instance, we'll keep it simple and retrieve the client's name. The data variable must be enclosed in quotes. Finish the formula by adding a closing parenthesis and press return. In the next cell, let's retrieve an account balance. This formula is similar to the client's name, with an added segment, which indicates the desired account number, in this case account 1200. So far we have used 3 of the 4 segments. The last segment is a history indicator. And if complete, we'll return the account balance for a history year. If retrieving the prior year, a 1 occupies this segment, the year before that a 2, and so on, through the number 4 history year. You can also use the account segment to add multiple accounts together with the account balance data variable. For instance, to add cash and savings for Sample C Corporation. Enter 2 or more accounts, separated by commas. The BalanceWare Formula Builder, found on the BalanceWare ribbon, is an invaluable tool for developing formulas automatically. The Formula Builder floats with you as you navigate the workbook. And I'll show you how that works next. The builder has drop-down boxes for all 3 of the argument segments in a BW function. As you build a formula, the preview box displays the progress and displays missing parameters. As you can see in this example, we are building an account balance, though the progress box is indicating that an account is required. I'll select cash and savings once again. The formula is complete for the current year, so we can go ahead and paste it. To paste a history year, simply select a year from the year box, and notice the Formula Builder modified the formula accordingly. Next, we'll take a look at retrieving financial statement totals. These totals are numbered, so it is difficult to build them without the Formula Builder, because they are different for each client, as each client's financial statement is unique. Statement totals do not require an account number argument. However, full history is available by appending the year argument. Notice, when I paste total liabilities, the result is negative. That's because the BW formula returns debits and credits. In most cases, you'll want to check the reverse checkbox for credits, which simply adds a minus sign to the beginning of the formula. With the date functions, in addition to retrieving the beginning and ending dates, for the current and history years, formatting can also be applied to the results. The default formatting for dates is a short date. Setting the long date checkbox will format the date for header reporting, with the month spelled out. The final feature I'd like to review on the builder is the Copy to Clipboard button. The Clipboard copy of the formula does not have an equals sign at the beginning. Therefore, it is not appropriate to paste into an empty cell, as it will not be evaluated. The clipboard is used to paste the formula into the formula bar, just below the Excel ribbon, when developing more elaborate formulas. Speaking of elaborate formulas, I'd like to show you the most complicated formula on our Notes to Financial Statement worksheet. This formula contains an original BW formula, appended by a string, and by a modified BW long formatted, historical year-end date. I'll scroll down a bit to reveal some other places where the BW formula is utilized. Instructions for setting up a page for optimal printing can be found in our online help topic. And of course, a BalanceWare-enabled workbook is not limited to financial statement notes, it can be used for all types of analysis and reporting. In summary, BalanceWare-enabled workbooks are a handy tool during your quest to provide your clients with timely and accurate information and professional presentation. Additional information on this topic is available on our website. Select Help from the menu. We hope you find our 3-minute videos informative. Visit us on the web for the latest developments. Why not download our 30-day free trial? And please, let us know what you think, we value your feedback. Till next time, this is Tex Tilson for BalanceWare. Powerful tools to help you manage engagements.